Hello dear student, this is Amir Khan, your social studies teacher. Today I'm going to teach you about can people affect the climate, and where you will learn about how climate has been affected by human activities and ozone depletion and greenhouse effect, and how to control on climate change. So these would be the topics where these you will be the objective. So over here you can see over here, when climate change, these processes are happening in climate change. And then you can look over here, and that is about the different kinds of process that happening after climate change. These are the names and these are the processes. Then if we come to about the greenhouse effect, greenhouse is actually a gas which are surround of our earth like this shape. And what happening, it is combined of three gases like nitro oxide and methane and carbon dioxide. These gases are combined. If it would be less, it would be fine, like the sun rays will come over here, it will be go up again into the atmosphere, and some of the rays the greenhouse put with them, and it give back to the earth as well, like here. So what happening, if this would be like in less, it would be clean, that would be fine for us. If in case of if there would be no greenhouse, so what happening, the whole land like here you will find every place like ice, and it would be freeze, nothing would be growing, our growth would be here like of plants, fruits, and these things would be not there. What happening, the greenhouse is less, it would make the earth warmer. If this would be higher, if the greenhouse would be more and more like surrounding over here, and you can look over here at the red color, it shows like warmer of the earth. So what happening, the which sun rays are coming over here, it must go up upper side of the atmosphere. But if this process is not happening, it stop over here. So what happening, the earth would be get warmer, and it would be make a global warming, like, and a kind of different disaster would be like glacier melting, flood, and these things would be happening over here. And a number of diseases will also happen. Actually, we can look over here, this is our landform, the beautiful snow, ice, and these things. And another landforms you can find over here, tree, river, mountains, rainfall, these are happening. But what happening, what humans are doing, humans are doing deforestation, humans are doing factories, and which make pollution on the earth. Humans are using a lot of transportation, making smoke. Because of these smokes are happening. Then you can find over here, there is plastic bags are in every place, no any proper way. Then when we come to the ozone layer, here we find ozone is a filter of rays of the sun, and it come over here, that rays, the good rays come over here, the harmful radiation which is harmful for human, that stay over here. Ozone work is that. But what happening, humans are doing these things, they're doing transportation, spray factories, and it make hole over there. And so what happening, that hole is very harmful for us, that rays coming over here, and it touch our skin, it make different kinds of diseases, of cancers, eye problem, and heart problems. So these are happening because of these things. So how we can reduce, we can reduce like doing plantation, recycle, and we use proper dustbin. When you are at your home, you have to switch on your light, because of that light also disturbing of the climate. When you are going out from your room, you have to switch off your light. So then what would be your home task, and that home task would be define the ozone layer and greenhouse, and give any 5 of your contribution to climate change, and find out any 5 reason how human affects the climate. Thank you so much for listening me.